Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to mark an email as unread on Outlook using your PC, following the latest update. Whether you want to revisit an important email later or keep track of messages requiring further attention, marking emails as unread is a quick and effective way to stay organized. To begin, open Outlook in your browser. This is the web-based version of Outlook, which offers a clean and user-friendly interface for managing your emails. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox. Here, you'll see all your emails neatly listed, including those already marked as read. Next, locate the email you want to mark as unread. Hover your mouse over the email in question. As you do this, a few icons will appear next to the email. Look for the one that resembles an envelope or is labeled Mark as unread. This icon is specifically designed for toggling the read or unread status of your emails. Click on the Mark as Unread icon. Instantly, the email will revert to its unread state, typically indicated by bold text or a small blue dot next to it. This visual cue helps you quickly identify emails that require further attention. And that's it. You've successfully marked an email as unread in Outlook on your PC. This feature is especially useful for managing tasks or prioritizing follow-ups without losing track of important messages. Remember, this process can be repeated for any email in your inbox. By mastering this straightforward technique, you can enhance your productivity and keep your inbox organized with ease. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more helpful tips on using Outlook effectively.